Good morning, students. In previous video, we are discussing about important results, that is derivative of trigonometric functions. So remember those important formula: derivative of x power n with respect to x is equal to n into x power n minus 1. Derivative of sin x is cos x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Derivative of tan x is secant square x. Derivative of cot x is minus cosecant square x. Derivative of secant x is plus secant x into tan x. Then derivative of cosecant x is minus cosec x into cot x. Remember those important results. So next today we will discuss rule on differentiation. That is also most important. Important rule on differentiation. Now here first rule says derivative of d by dx means derivative of constant term denoted by c is always 0. Remember, where c is constant, derivative of constant term is always 0. Constant term andre yavadu? Out of 26 alphabets, 2 alphabets are the variables, namely x and y. Remaining 24 alphabets are constants, as well as numbers are constants. Numbers en baruttala, all are constants except x and y. So remember, first rule is derivative of constant term is always 0, where c is constant. Now here for example, derivative of 5, no, 5 only it is constant, its derivative become 0. Remember that formula. Whereas derivative of minus 7 is also constant, 0. Derivative of 100, 0. Derivative of 2000, 0. Derivative of 7, 0. Numbers or alphabets except x and y, remaining alphabets are constants. Those constants, its derivative become 0. So first rule says, in general, derivative of constant term is always 0. Remember. Okay. Whereas rule number 2, derivative of constant and function f of x. ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟು ಮತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ಒಂದು ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ what is its derivative? How to write it? Remember, constant term as it is into derivative of function. Constant term as it is into derivative of function, where c is constant and f of x be a function. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಪ್ಯೂರ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಇಸ್ 0. ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದರ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ 0 ಇಂಟು ದಿಸ್. ನೋ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಡೂ ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಈ ಥರ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆರ್ ಗಿವನ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ function, where c is constant, f of x be a function. Now here for example, what is the derivative of 2x power 5? ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 2 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನದು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಮತ್ತು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ 0 ಬರಿಬಾರ್ದು. ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು? ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಯಾವುದಿದೆ? ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ x power 5. Then simplify to derivative of x power 5. Result number 1, derivative of x power n formula, n into x power n minus 1. n value ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 5x power n minus 1. ಈ 5 ದಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ 4. Constant as it is into derivative of function. Then simplify 2 into 5, 10x power 4. This is an example of rule number 2. Whereas another example, derivative of 7x power 4. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 7 ಇದೆ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು. ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ into derivative of function. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ 7 ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪವರ್ 4 ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ 4 ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈ ಪವರ್ 4ದಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ 4x ಪವರ್ 3. ಸೊ 7 into 4 28x power 3. Right? So another example, derivative of 5 sin x is equal to 5 another constant, sin x another variable. How to write? 5 as it is into derivative of sin x. That is 5 as it is. Derivative of sin x formula derive ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ಲ ಏನಿದೆ cos x. So that is 5 cos x. Okay. So another example, derivative of 9 tan x. 9 ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ 0 ಬರೀಬಾರ್ದು. ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಹೌದಾ? ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ 9 ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಯು ನೋ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನಿದೆ ಸೀಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಎನದರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, derivative of 4x power 3. 4 constant, x cube is function, constant 4 as it is into derivative of function, right? That is 4 derivative of x cube. You know the formula, derivative of x power n, n into x power n minus 1, n place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3x power 1 ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 3 minus 1 2. So 4 into 3 12x power 2. ಹೌದಾ? ಇದು ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟು ಬರೀಬೋದು. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡದೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರೀಬೋದು. ಹೇಗೆ? ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ 2x ಪವರ್ 5 ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರಿ? ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ದೀಸ್ ಟು, ಇವೆರಡು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. 2 into 5 10 x ಪವರ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ 5 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ 1 ನಂಬರ್ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ 5 minus 1 4. 2 into 5 10 x ಪವರ್ 4. ಹಿಯರ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ 7x ಪವರ್ 4 ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀಬೋದು? 7 into 4 28. x ಪವರ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 1 ನಂಬರ್ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ x ಪವರ್ 3. ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ 4x ಪವರ್ 3 4 into 3 12. x ಪವರ್ 1 ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ x ಪವರ್ 2. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ರೂಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2, ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ಇಂಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ಒಂದೇ ಇತ್ತು, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಇಸ್ 0. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೌ ಟು ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಓಕೆ. ದೆನ್ ರೂಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3. ರೂಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3 says derivative of sum of two functions, say f of x plus g of x with respect to x. ಎರಡು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ದ ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಹೌ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. Now you know that limit of f of x plus g of x equal to limit of f of x plus limit of g of x. Like that, derivative of f of x plus g of x equal to derivative of f of x plus derivative of g of x. Similarly, derivative of difference of two functions, f of x minus g of x is equal to same term, derivative of f of x. So, rule number 3, derivative of f of x plus or minus g of x with respect to x is equal to split up the derivative, derivative of f of x plus or minus derivative of g of x. ಎರಡು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ದ ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 2 terms, more than 2 terms. Now for example, find the derivative of x power 3 plus 7x power 4 minus 9x plus 5. There are 4 terms, 1 2 3 4. Split of the term. ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀರಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ x power 3 plus derivative of 7x power 4 minus derivative of 9x plus derivative of 5, right? So you know the formula. Derivative of x power 3, it is in the form x power n. Power n value is 3. You know the formula. Derivative of x power n is n into x power n minus 1. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು? ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೆಯುವುದು? 3x ಪವರ್ 1 ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ 2. 3x ಪವರ್ 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ 7x ಪವರ್ 4, 7 ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್, x ಪವರ್ 4 is function. ಅಪ್ಲೈ ರೂಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 7 as it is, derivative of x power 4, or you can differentiate directly. How to differentiate directly? Multiply these two. 7 4s are 28, x power 1 less, x power 3, right? Minus again derivative of 9x, 9 constant as it is, into derivative of x. Derivative of x value, 1. It is in the form x power n. Derivative of x power n is n into x power n minus 1. N value 1 into x power 1 minus 1. That is x power 1 minus 1 is 0. X power 0 is 1. Right? Plus derivative of 5. Purely number astray. Constant. Constant is the derivative. 0. So that is 3x power 2 plus 28x cube minus 9 is the answer. Another example. Find the derivative of root x plus tan x. Split of the derivative. There are two terms, so we can write derivative of root x plus derivative of tan x. Okay, now that is equal to, you know the formula. What is derivative of root x? Using x power n formula. Remember that formula. What is that? 1 divided by 2 root x. Correct? Plus derivative of tan x. ನೆನ್ಪಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು secant square x. Our basic formula ನೆನ್ಪಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Derivative of tan x is secant square x. So this is rule number 3. Derivative of sum of two functions is equal to sum of the derivatives of two terms. Not only two, more than two terms. This is rule number 3. Now another example of rule number 3. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು example ನೋಡೋಣ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ. So another example, find the derivative of sin x plus cos x. There are two terms. This is f of x, that is g of x. Split up the derivative. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? That is derivative of first term sin x plus derivative of second term cos x. Okay? Then differentiate. Derivative of sin x, you know the formula. Cos x plus derivative of cos x formula minus sin x. ನೆನ್ಪಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Derivative of cos x is sin. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Derivative of sin x is cos x. Okay? So another example, find the derivative of x power 4 minus 3 tan x plus 7. Split of the derivative, that is equal to 1 by 1 ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ. That is derivative of x power 4 minus derivative of 3 tan x, right, plus derivative of 7. So derivative of x power 4, it is in the form x power n. N value is 4. N into x power n minus 1. 4x power 3, right, minus 3 constant. Rule number 2. Constant number ಯಾವುದು? 3 as it is. Into derivative of function. Derivative of tan x plus derivative of 7. That is 4x power 3 minus 3. Derivative of tan x formula ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೇನು? secant square x. Derivative of 7. 7 purely constant. Constant ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Its derivative is 0. So that is 4x power 3 minus 3 secant square x. Now these are the examples of rule number 3, that is derivative of f of x plus g of x or minus g of x is equal to split up the derivative. Derivative of f of x plus derivative of g of x. Okay? ದೆನ್ ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಇನ್ಯಾವುದು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್. Now rule number 4, derivative of product of two functions f of x into g of x. ಎರಡು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಇಂಟು ವೇರ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಜಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇದರ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್. ಸೊ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಈಸ್ first function as it is, f of x as it is, into derivative of second function g of x. Alternative, plus second function as it is into derivative of first function. Alternative sign. First term as it is into derivative of second function plus second function as it is into derivative of first function. This is known as idikkenanತರ product rule or product formula. Derivative of f of x into g of x is not equal to derivative of f of x into derivative of g of x. ಈ ಥರ ಎಡಿಷನ್ದೊಳಗೆ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೂ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು, what is the formula? This is first function, that is second function. The formula, first function as it is into derivative of second function plus second function as it is into derivative of first function. This is known as product rule. ಮತ್ತು ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಈ ಥರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಎರಡು ಆಟ್ ಎ ಟೈಮ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟಿವ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ into derivative of second term plus second term as it is into derivative of first term. Okay, now here for example, derivative of, find the derivative of x square sin x. ಎಷ್ಟಿದಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ? This is algebraic, this is trigonometric. Product of two functions, ಎರಡು functions ಇದೆ. So how to split it? Apply the rule. First function as it is ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದು? x square as it is into derivative of second function. Second function ಯಾವುದು? sin x plus second function as it is sin x into derivative of first function, that is x square. So that is equal to x square. You know the formula. What is derivative of sin x? ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. cos x plus sin x as it is derivative of x square. It is in the form x power n. Derivative of x square 2x. ಹೌದಾ? So that is x square cos x plus 2x into sin x. That's it. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಎರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ? x square into sin x, its derivative of x square into derivative of sin x. Don't do like that. It is in the form product of two functions. Apply product rule. Yeah, f of x into g of x rule. The rule says first function as it is into derivative of second function plus second function as it is into derivative of first function. This is known as product rule or product formula. Okay, take another example. Another example. If y is equal to 1 plus x power 4 into tan x, find dy by dx. Solution, find d by dx of y. What is y value? 1 plus x power 4 into tan x. Now here clearly product of two functions. Don't split it. The rule says this is first function, that is second function. Now what is the formula? First function as it is into derivative of second function. ಮೊದಲನೇ term as it is into derivative of second term. Then conversely plus second term as it is into derivative of first term, derivative of 1 plus x power 4. Okay, then simplify. That equals 1 plus x power 4 as it is. What is derivative of tan x? You know the formula, secant square x, correct? Plus tan x into derivative of 1 ಅನ್ನೋದೇನು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್, derivative of constant ಏನಿದೆ 0, plus derivative of x power 4, it is in the form x power n, derivative of x power 4 x power 3. Then further simplify. That is equal to, that is derivative of 1 plus x power 4 into tan x is equal to 1 plus x power 4 into secant square x, 0 plus 4x cube, 4x cube into tan x. That's it. Okay. Another example. Find the derivative of root x into secant x. How many functions? 2 functions. Algebraic, trigonometric. Product of 2 functions. This is first function. That is second function. You know the rule. What is the rule? Product rule. Rule ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? First function as it is into derivative of second function. Second function is secant x plus second function as it is into derivative of first function root x, right? Then simplify. Root x, derivative of sec x formula ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು, sec x into tan x plus sec x, derivative of root x formula 1 divided by 2 root x. ನೋಡಿ ಅವ್ನು ನೆನ್ಪಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು, derivative of root x formula, derivative of sin, derivative of cos, derivative of tan, you know all those things. Okay, so that is root x sec x into tan x plus secant x by 2 root x. This is an example of derivative of product of 2 functions. Okay, take one more. Find the derivative of x power 5 into sin x. How many functions? Again 2 functions. It is in the form product of 2 functions. Apply product rule. U into V rule. Rule says first function as it is x power 5. Rule ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? Into derivative of second function sin x. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ? Plus second function as it is into derivative of first function x power 5. That is equal to x power 5, derivative of sin x formula ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ cos x plus sin x, derivative of x power 5, it is in the form x power n. How to write directly? Index as it is 5, x power ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ power 4. So this is an example of derivative of x power 5 into sin x. This is product rule. Remember, ನೆನ್ಪಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, derivative of f of x into g of x is equal to, remember, f of x into derivative of g of x plus alternative g of x into derivative of f of x. This is known as product rule or product formula. Okay. Then finally addition ಆಯಿತು, subtraction ಆಯಿತು, multiplication, then division. Derivative of division of 2 functions f of x divided by g of x. Division ಭಾಗಾಕಾರ ರೂಪದೊಳಗಿದ್ದಾಗ cosine of 2 functions, its what is its derivative? Its derivative is, remember, that is equal to denominator as it is g of x as it is into derivative of numerator f of x. minus numerator as it is into derivative of denominator divided by denominator square. This is the formula for derivative of division of two functions. Now that is in hೀಗೂ ಬರಿಬಹುದು, or instead of f of x and g of x we take u and v, where u and v are functions not constants. f of x u ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ, g of x is v, its derivative formula v as it is into derivative of u minus u as it is into derivative of v divided by v square. So this is derivative of division of two functions. This is known as quotient rule. ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ? quotient rule. ಎರಡು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ಆದರೆ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ದ ರೂಲ್ ಸೇಸ್ denominator, this is denominator, that is numerator, denominator as it is into derivative of numerator minus numerator as it is into derivative of denominator divided by denominator square. This is known as quotient rule or quotient formula. Okay, ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ಇದೇನು ಡೇರಾ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ, just to remember that formula. Now based on this, for example, now first problem, find the derivative of sin x divided by x. Clearly it is in the form u by v, division of two functions. ಇದರ division of two functions ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು derivative of f of x by g of x, which is not equal to derivative of f of x divided by derivative of g of x, but derivative of division of two functions formula ಏನಿದೆ? That is equal to, this is u, that is v, u by v. Formula says v, v ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? x into derivative of u value sin x minus u as it is sin x into derivative of v value x divided by v square, v ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದು? x square. Then simplify x into derivative of sin x is cos x minus sin x into derivative of x with respect to x derivative ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1, derivative of x power n formula, okay, divided by x square. That is the answer. Okay, another example, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು example, find the derivative of say sin x divided by 1 plus cos x. Clearly it is in the form u by v, division of two functions, correct? Apply quotient rule. The rule says v ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 1 plus cos x into derivative of u value sin x minus u as it is, u ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದು? sin x into derivative of v, what is v value? 1 plus cos x divided by v square 1 plus cos x whole power 2. ಇದು ರೂಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Then differentiate, that is derivative of sin x divided by 1 plus cos x is equal to 1 plus cos x into derivative of sin x, standard formula ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೇನು? cos x ನೆನ್ಪಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅವನ್ನ, minus sin x as it is derivative of 1 constant 0 ತಾನೆ, plus derivative of cos x, ಏನಿದೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ? derivative of cos x minus sin x divided by 1 plus cos x whole power 2. Correct? Then further simplify, that is multiply 1 into cos x cos x into cos x, cos square x, minus into minus plus, sin x into sin x, sin square x, divided by 1 plus cos x whole power 2. Then further simplify. Derivative of sin x divided by 1 plus cos x is equal to cos x plus sin square x plus cos square x, trigonometric identity 1, divided by 1 plus cos x to the power of 2. Right? One factor cancel, that is 1 by 1 plus cos x. That's it. So remember, there are some important rule on derivatives. Now rule number 1, first rule says derivative of constant term is always 0. Whereas rule number 2, derivative of constant and function, constant term ಜೊತೆಗೆ function ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ its derivative ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, constant term as it is into derivative of function. Whereas rule number 3 says derivative of sum of two functions, say f of x plus g of x is equal to derivative of f of x plus derivative of g of x. Similarly, derivative of f of x minus g of x, difference of two functions, is equal to derivative of f of x minus derivative of g of x. Then rule number 4, derivative of product of two functions, ಎರಡು functions the multiplication ಇದ್ದಾಗ, say in general f of x into g of x, in general derivative of f of x into g of x, that is known as product rule. Its derivative is, remember, f of x as it is into derivative of g of x plus g of x as it is into derivative of f of x. Alternative ತಗೋಬೇಕು. At a time ಎರಡು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. First function as it is into derivative of second function plus second function as it is into derivative of first function. That is known as product rule. Then finally, derivative of division of two functions, quotient of two functions. ಎರಡು functions the ratio formula ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ, what is its derivative? How to split it? Remember that formula? This is numerator, that is denominator. The formula is denominator as it is, ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದು, g of x, into derivative of numerator f of x minus numerator as it is f of x into derivative of denominator g of x divided by denominator square. This is known as quotient rule. These are the very important rule on differentiation. So by using the important results as well as important rule on differentiation, by using those things to solve some problems in next class. So before solving that problem, you must remember those important rule as well as important results on differentiation. ಇವನ್ನ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೇಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಮತ್ತು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ವಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಡೂ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್, ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಬಿ ಅಲರ್ಟ್, all formula very important, you must note it, you must remember. Okay students, so based on rule on differentiation as well as important results, by using those things to solve some problems in next class. Okay students, thank you.